I think I messed up, but in the best way possible. We're making meatloaf with a twist that's going to blow your taste buds away. First things first, let's prep those veggies. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan, toss in 1 finely chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Set them aside to cool. Now, grab a large bowl and mix your ground beef, sautéed onions and garlic, breadcrumbs, eggs, sour cream, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. Remember, don't overmix. Just combine until it all comes together for a light, tender meatloaf. Shape your mixture into a loaf and pop it on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. While it's baking, let's make that sweet glaze. Mix 1 cup of tomato sauce with 1 cup of ketchup. After 40 minutes, brush it over your meatloaf and bake for another 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a caramelized crust. Once baked, let it rest for 10 minutes to lock in all those juices. Slice, serve, and enjoy your perfectly moist, flavorful meatloaf. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!